Hi friends, my name is V. Chandra Suresh Reddy. Now I am doing the computer network 7th lab. Nat stands for network address translation. In this experiment, now I am doing the first one, NAT home side analyzing packets. For this experiment, I will explain the procedure. For this experiment, for the NAT, in this lab we will investigate the behavior of the NAT protocol. This lab will be the different from the other workshop labs, where we have captured the trace files from the single Wireshark measurement points, because we are interested in the capturing packets in the both input and the output side of the NAT devices. For this experiment, now I am doing the NAT measurement scenario. This is the NAT measurement scenario. This is the ISP networks, which is the Wireshark having the output and the input. Home network, this is the home network, and the tracing the file. In this lab we will capture the packets from a simple web request from the client PC in a home network to the google.com server within the home page of the network router, providing a NAT service. As discussing in the chapter, we will Wireshark traces the collection of scenario is in the workshop lab. We collect a Wireshark tracks in the client PC in our home network. This is called the NAT home side, because we also insert the packet picking the NAT. For this experiment, we want to download this Wireshark lab, and we want to extract all these files, and also now we want to start the experiment router that collect the second trace files, tapping into the link and the home address of the router ISP network shown in the figure. As shown in this figure, like we want to do like this. For this experiment, first now I am doing the tapping the ISP network, showing the figure 1 hub like this. Shown ISP router is used in the tab link between the NAT router as the first hop router in the ISP. Client server packets captured by the Wireshark at this point. We have to undertake the NAT translation, the Wireshark trace file capture on the ISP side of the NAT ISP side. For this one, first I will open my Wireshark. After opening this Wireshark, I have connected to my Ethernet. This is the Ethernet I have gotten. See here, the network is transferring. After this, I have opened this. Here, see, the packets are capturing here. After this, I have stopped my capturing of packets. Now I am opening the file. After this, now we want to see that which file means. I will show you here. NAT ISD side file. We want to open this NAT ISP side file. See, this is the home side and ISP. Let us show here. NAT, see, NAT ISP file, and open the NAT home side file for the answer the following questions. For ISP, root is called the NAT. For the home side file, for answering these questions, we might find the usually use the Wireshark filter to the frame only containing the HTTP messages and the display from the trace file. For this, I want to open the home side file. Now I am opening the home side file. Yes. Continue without saving. See, these SNMP, DNS, these all are I have got to answer these questions. Now I will show you this. Whenever possible, when answering the questions, we should had a print out the packets within the after these print. Yes, we can do this. Now I can answer the questions. I have already done in the POC also. This is the NAT side analyzing the packets. Also the output also we got the same, which I have got the also NAT I said the analyzing packets. Also this is the analyzing packets. For the answering the questions, what is the IP address of the client? Now I will show you the answers like this. IP address means 192.168.1.100. This is the my answer. That I will show you this answer. This is the 192.168.1.00. This is the IP address of these. this one, and the second one, the client actually communicated with the several different Google servers ordering the implement safe browsing, extract credit and the section that I have taken the screenshot. Let I will show you in this PC. See, this is the capturing packets which having the these Google server. Let I will show you these also. Let I will show you. For this I am entering the HTTP. This one 169.104. This I want to enter here. See, these HTTP messages, these I have shown in this POC. See, these all are the capturing of these packets. Now I am going for the question. Considering now HTTP get to send the client to a Google server whose IP address is, we have gone through these IP address at time 7.10. What are the source and the destination IP address of the TCP source of the IP datagram? Now I will show source and destination of these. Let I will show you the source and destination. This is the source IP address. This is the destination IP address of this file. See, this is the source and this is the destination of these. Now I have completed the third question also. Now I am going for fourth question. At what time is the corresponding 200 OK HTTP message received from the Google server? What are the source and destination IP address of the TCP source and the destination port on the IP datagram carrying at the HTTP 200 OK message? Now I will show you. For this 7.1 source, for the source address and the destination address of these, let I will show you the time. The time is 128. Let's see here the time also. After this fifth question, recall the before get command and the HTTP server. TCP must first set the connection of these sign handshake. For these one, display the white shock. Display the white shock. Now I have done already. For these, time has these since packets for the source and the source destination address, time of the ASCII number, all these I have shown here. Let's see here. This is the source address and the destination address and the time of the live and the total length. These versions I have shown here. These all are. After this, in this HTTP, these all we have completed. In this NAT ICHZ trace file of the HTTP get message and we send to the Google server. For these, T is equal to 1 point. In this we want to see T10, let we will show. See, T10951. In this we can show here. Let I will show in this. In this T10, see the time appearance of the 6.06919 second and the source address and the port number. For these I will show you. This is the time taken for this 2.39 seconds. These have taken time and the default frame numbers, all these destination, this destination address and the source address, these we have got. To this, or any field get the HTTP message changed. In this checksum, all these one I will show you. No, total no fields are changed in the any message of the IP source address and the change of the checksum include IP address. Nothing has been changed. Same as we have done here, same has been done here only. See, this did not, when I be enter the IP address also it does not changes. Ninth one, in the NAT ISP site trace file and at to what time where the client to server TCP sign segment and the server to client TCP acknowledgement segment corresponding to the segment of the question 5 above captured. What are the source and the destination IP address of these? that I will show you. The time scenes and the destination time and destination of the TCP sign. Now I will show you. For these TCP sign, this is the source and the destination of these one. After this, acknowledgement. Now I am going for the last question. Using your answer 1 to 8 above, fill the NAT translation above entries for the HTTP connection considered in the question 1 to 8. Okay, now I will show you. For the Windows side, this is the, and the LAN side, this is the IP address. Okay, I will show you. For the LAN side, this is the IP address 192.168. This. For the NAT side, this is the 64.23 and 169. This is the IP address of for both these. Now we have completed our experiment. Thank you.